Okay, so welcome back. And in this video we're going to talk about converting units from one set of units to another set of units like we did before, but this time we're going to be changing units that are both in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, and so this brings up the idea of a rate measure. Okay, so what's a rate measure? A rate measure is just a ratio of two different kinds of measures. We usually just call this a rate, right? Or a rate of change, like for example when we talk about miles per gallon, or we talk about miles per hour, or we talk about what's another rate? Pressure per square inch. Okay, so those are rates, and so we use rate measures in many different applications. So what if I want to convert one rate measure to another rate measure? Okay, for example, what if I want to change miles per hour to kilometers per hour? Or what if I want to change feet per minute, or let's say miles per hour into feet per second? Okay, that would also be another type of conversion. So how would we do that? Well, first we have to compare the units of both both numerators and both denominators to decide what units are going to change. And then once we know which units are going to change, then we are going to multiply the original rate measure by one or more unit ratios involving those new units that we're going to change to, and also with the units that are going to reduce. Okay, so the idea is we want to multiply by unit ratios so that the old units that are going to change go away, they reduce, and we'll be left with the new units in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so that's the idea. So let's go do an example and see it in action.